Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how you can change add to cart button. Okay, so this is a quick and easy tutorial. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to just log in into your Shopify dashboard. Okay, now that's the first step. Now after that, what you guys need to do next, you want to just click here. Okay, you like a online store. Okay, after guys you click on online store, then you want to click here where it's like, as you can see, next to customize, you will find here like three little dots here. Click on them, and then you want to click on edit code. Okay, so after guys you click on edit code, what you guys need to do now, you want to search here where it says filter files here in the top left. You want to search for theme. Okay, theme dot liquid. Okay, now if you cannot find this file, probably you are using like a different theme. I would suggest to search for something that says liquid at the end. Okay, at the end of the file that says that liquid. Okay, and then after that, after you are here, then what you guys need to do, you want to scroll down, like just keep scrolling until you find a code that says that says body and HTML. As you can see here, body, HTML. Below body you will see here HTML. Now you can also search for this by like, if you want to search for this whole text or code, just click on Ctrl F. Okay, Ctrl F, and then search for that. Okay, here, then click on next. Now if you can find it here, probably it's at the bottom. Okay, most of the time it's going to be at the bottom. Now after you find it, what you guys need to do, after you find this, it says here body and HTML at the bottom, you want to paste a code that you will find it in the description of this video. Just copy the code and paste it between the code in the top and the body. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I mean. Now I'm going to, I'm actually going to zoom this so you can see everything. Okay, you can like paste it here. As you can see, the body, you want to just make a space between the body and the code above, and paste it between that here. The code that should be like that you will find in the description of this video, paste it here. As you can see, like I said, above body, you want to paste it. Okay, after that you want to click on save. Now I'm going to go to any product here on my Shopify store, and I'm going to show you how you can change colors and how you can change the text color and the button color. Now as you can see, I'm going to scroll down. By default, it's going to say this. The text color is going to be green, and the button color, as you can see, it's a different color. Now you can also change this. Okay, if you go back down at the very bottom where you can see the code that you have pasted here, now this background code color, you can change it to any code you want. Okay, so for example, as you can see here, the background, you can change it to any color. The color is here is text. The color text, you can change it to any color. Just go to Google and search for example, you want to change it to red color, and then search for red color text, and this is the code. Okay, and go back, and you want to change this, for example, the background color, change it to new code, which is this one. Okay, as you can see, now I changed it to red color. Go click on save, and then now I'm going to go back to product. As you can see, it's now red. You can also change this text color by changing the color below background. This code, you can, like I said, you can find like any color code on Google. Just search for the color next to it, add the code. As you can see, for example, green color code. That's what you need to search for, and you will find the code. This is it. Now I'm going to change this to green. Just replace this code with this. Click on save. I'm going to reload the page. As you can see, it's not, the text is green, as you can see, and the background is red. So hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video. Drop a like and let me know in the comments if you don't understand anything. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next one.